Hej. Good, hey. Yeah?
We're all here.
You're all here?
Yes. So we'll just go up there.
Yeah.
Then we'll take a walk around the facilities and just have a chat.
Very good.
Having a walk around the facilities.
Yeah.
Just to see what is here going on.
Yes.
And then I'll have a small introduction just to Fram and what the history and background of Fram and what we're doing. And then we'll just have a chat.
Ja.
Hérna skoraði Andreas alveg fullt af mörgum.
Nei, það var löggarsvöld.
Nema hérna, varst ekki hérna? Nei. Varst ekki hérna? Hérna varst 91. Þetta kemur ekki fyrir 94.
Okay, we're all here. And then we have Halli, he's the head coach for the youth team, for the youth program.
Hei.
Now I just trust in Tóti to show us around.
Já, heyrðu, velkomin. And here it's one of our, what can I say, 4 places that we train handball. From here. I don't know when. We were supposed to go there in 2011, but we haven't started building yet. So, the newest.
And I hope to get here 2 or 3 more people soon.
Okay. Obviously, you see, Fram was founded 1908, so we are 107 years old. The handball came a little bit later, around 1950, 14. Good. Skiing division, very few really now. And back in the days we had volleyball and basketball, but against Real Madrid, 70-something, 4 or something, 2 times against Barcelona. These are the balls that were used in that games, and there are some Barcelona, some trophies somewhere. And but 2 times we played Barcelona in 3 years, I think so. So that was big. Yeah. It's about 1,300. I think it's 500 group in handball. That's 550 probably with men's and women's team, and 650 something in football. Taekwondo is about 50. The old guys are about 50, 60. No, we don't own it. We own this.
And
there is a contract.
presenter every game is also here.
We pay.
How many spectators? Tóti, hvað tekur húsið marga?
Starting to Olympic, or is it just on the drawing board?
Drawing board and have been for this. We made the contract 2008 on our really when we were able to. When we drive by bus.
Is it far from here?
10 kilometers. How do they? 3.
It's mostly sponsorship.
3,000 million. It's not full.
Can you play? Can the youngs play matches? That's no problem.
We have this, so you know, full size. It's 20. Yeah.
your father's story, my history, very much more.
Två mega landslag. Var det lustigt, men hon är...
Och fyra?
Ja, hon är främma.
Ska du kalla?
Det går på sig.
Number 48, stick out injured for this. Very mega. Okay.
Andreas, I'm from Africa. And when they came here from Barcelona, they say, "Okay, where is the headquarters?" And the guys were just there. You don't remember?
It was accurate. Was it accurate one time?
No. I can't remember.